Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Beatz. In today's video, it's going to be a chill vlog. I'm going to take you guys around to show you guys what I do during photo shoots for Instagram. And then I'm also going to try to launch my car and get a video of that for Instagram as well. So hopefully all goes well today. It's pretty overcast right now in Florida and it's been raining non-stop. So I just took my window of opportunity and decided to go photo shoot at some places nearby that I found. This is actually like a children's daycare or something that just opened up. I don't even think it's opened up yet, but I'll take you guys around. But yeah, it has cool neutral colors and then it has this cool wall behind. And I'm also testing out my new 50mm lens for my Nikon. For those of you guys that are wondering, I just got a 50mm Nikon 1.18. So yeah, I'm testing that out. If you guys have seen my photos recently on Instagram, I just used that and the pictures come out so clear. The quality is so crisp. I'm in love with it. I'm gonna get a CPL filter next. Shout out to Skeler F80 skirt for putting me on this setup. It's such a game changer. I'm so happy with the 50mm. It just changes the whole game with the lens itself. And for me, I didn't have to upgrade the body of my camera, which is pretty outdated. This is a Nikon D90 that my sister gave me as a hand-me-down a couple years ago. I mean, it was free, can't complain. But the 50mm adds so much depth, so much quality. And again, I'm saving money because I didn't have to upgrade to a new camera, which I would plan to do in the future. But right now I'm trying to save money, be smart about money. So I got to use what you got. So yeah, my car is kind of clean right now. It's been raining non-stop in Florida, so it's kind of impossible to keep your car clean, but I'm gonna give it a quick little detail with some spray wax, put some tire shine on, and then I'll show you guys around where I'm at now. I think this set's gonna turn out sick, and then hopefully we can figure out launch control. I'm also letting the car warm up right now because I know launch control in these F8Xs don't really activate until your car is at operating temperatures, your oil's at operating temperatures. So I'm letting the car warm up. I'm gonna prep the car for this little mini photo shoot. There's nothing to it. I usually give my car a wash or use some spray wax if I don't have time to wash. Black hides so many imperfections that I don't really have to worry about detailing or cleaning my car. But my car is pretty clean right now, so that makes it a lot easier. But yeah, let me do that real quick and then I'll show you guys around. Also, if this is your first time watching, make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for future content. We're trying to put out a video once a week. We've been doing so for over a year. And if you're new to the channel, welcome and thanks for watching. All right, like I said, I did a quick detail. I put some tire shine on. I used some waterless wheel and tire cleaner. As you guys can see, the F80 looking glossy, but it's still clean from last week's wash. That bead maker really makes it shine, and that brake buster really keeps my wheels clean for the most part since it's in the garage. But as you guys can see, this spot is super dope. And then this wall, I think, is really gonna pop with the black paint on Instagram. So I'm probably gonna take some shots over here. Obviously get the wheel shots. Obviously have to angle my wheel for that more aggressive stance. But yeah, the paint's looking good. Car is pretty freaking clean. But yeah, having a black car makes photo shoots and taking pictures so much easier because it hides most of the imperfections, and you guys won't be able to see any unless I'm like a foot away from it. So yeah, I'm gonna take some photos here real quick, and then there's a storage unit placed right behind that has some cool dark like black modern buildings that I'll show you guys. I'm gonna take some photos here, take some photos there, and I should be good for a couple weeks. I'll make sure to throw up some of these photos edited at the end of this video as a little sneak peek for you guys. I don't do much editing in Lightroom. I usually use one of my presets because I had so many in my F30 days. So it makes editing that much easier for Instagram. But I like to keep it pretty simple, clean, pretty much what you see here, you know, adjust the colors a little bit. But yeah, this is what I do usually on like a weekly basis. I like to do it on like a Sunday afternoon when it's chill. So yeah, I'm gonna take some photos real quick and then I'll catch up with you guys again. All right, just wrapped up at this spot. I am sweating bullets in Florida. It may be overcast, but it's still humid. I'm sweating my ass off, but we got some fire ass shots for Instagram. Like I said, I'll put a couple at the end of this video. Some of you guys might see it on my story as well. But yeah, this spot turned out sick. So yeah, I originally had the car like this, and then I moved it facing forward as well to get some rear end shots, rear 3/4 shots as well, some wheel shots. So yeah, this spot, sick. And the best part is it's only 2 minutes, 3 minutes away from my house, so can't beat that. Like I said before, we're gonna go to the next photo shoot location, which is right behind this. It's a storage unit place, so it's pretty close by. And the best part is I didn't have to go far from home, like I just mentioned. And the story behind this place is actually we were going to my friend's house yesterday, and you know me as a car guy, as most of you guys do as well, always scoping out for photo shoot locations. Drop a comment if you guys do that as well. I mean, I'm doing that non-stop, especially since we moved back over here. I'm always looking for photo shoot locations, and then I saw this and I saw that wall and I was like, it's happening. It has to happen. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the storage unit place right now, and I'll bring you along for the ride. Shout out to this new daycare, hooking it up for photos this week. Let's go. So as you guys can see, there's a bunch of corporate offices, another daycare near my house. I'm actually trying to go right there. You guys can see. I think it'll be pretty cool with the black car. It's pretty shaded over there as well, which is what I need with my black car. Can't be shooting in broad daylight, so we're gonna go over there now, get a couple shots, and then move on. All right, we just pulled up to this spot, and this is sick. It's just a storage unit place, but look at this wall, super dark. The dark blues look sick. This dark brick looks sick, and then that gray paneling also looks fire. And we got some palm trees because Florida. My go-to position, I guess you could say, when I park my car is reversed in with the wheel slanted. I mean, that is the money shot right there. You'll probably see most of my Instagram posts at this angle because I love it so much. So yeah, we're gonna take some more shots here and then I'll catch up with you guys. Yo, so I was just photo shooting right here. My car was backed in and I was standing over there in the grass and your boy stepped in a damn ant pile. Classic. But yeah, I'm just gonna pull in forward now, take some shots of the rear. You already know. So yeah, we just got done photo shooting over here at the storage unit. And then we have this road right behind it that is perfect to try out launch control. Funny thing is, we used to live over there, and that's actually a police station, so hopefully I don't get in trouble, because that'd be a fat ticket. But yeah, let me try to set up launch control real quick. I've seen a couple videos of people doing it. It works for some people, then it doesn't work for some people, so let me see if I can get it engaged first before I start recording. Of course, it's like the middle of nowhere, and of course we got a minivan coming. They're probably like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Hey, so we figured it out. We are in the sportiest settings, Sport Plus everything. We have traction control fully off. We're in manual shifting mode as well. And then all you have to do is slam your foot on the brake and go all the way to the floor with the pedal. And you can hear it. Launch control is active. There's freaking houses right here. I'm probably gonna get the cops call on me. So let's do this real quick. And yeah, I'm gonna set up the tripod because I don't want to crash and become a BMW meme. So yeah, let's do it from the outside. All right, so I just tried launching and it didn't work. I think BMW requires like 4 minutes or 5 minutes, or you have to go do some driving before you can do another launch. I think it's time-based, so I'm just letting the car chill for now, and then we're gonna try again. So I just drove around for like 10 minutes. Hopefully we'll be able to launch again. If not, I'm gonna have to save this for another video. I tried. You guys saw it was active, so we tried. We're gonna put the camera outside though one more time and give it one more shot. If not, I'll just get a video of me doing a little baby pull right here, and then we'll wrap it up. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Alright, so that definitely worked. As you guys saw, the car launched like crazy. It's my first time launching, so yeah, that was a thrill in itself for sure, to say the least. I've never launched in any BMW before, so let alone it's my F80. That was such a thrill. Definitely not gonna do it again, especially on this little skinny ass road. But that was super cool, super fun. I can definitely see how that could be useful, obviously at the track. But man, it did nothing but put a huge smile on my face. So if you guys have never launched your car, make sure you're in a safe environment and then try it. Don't do anything stupid. But yeah, we got it to work. Let's go. I was so nervous it wasn't gonna work, and then it basically says launch control ready and then launch control active, and you just let your foot off the brake and boom, send it. But yeah, I'm on my way home now, so we're gonna wrap up this video. That was definitely a fun one. All right, goodbye photo shoot spot, storage unit spot. And then look at this, right across is the police station like I mentioned before. So peace out to the photo shoot and launch control spots. That was definitely fun. Like I said, we're on the way home now. Maybe I'll get you guys one more exhaust clip before we go home. But yeah, that was hella fun. Not gonna lie, that was hella fun. Next time I'm definitely gonna do it at a spot with more open road, just in case anything happens. Luckily, I have new 4S's on my rear, and I didn't really spin out that much. At least I didn't feel like it. I'll see when I play the video back. But yeah, car felt really good. Nothing swirly, nothing sketchy. So yeah, super happy with that. Before I go home, I'm actually gonna get a little sound clip of my car revving in efficient mode. Since I have the competition and I can't code or can't tune my burbles out yet, I had a lot of people asking me if I can just do a rev in efficient mode, comfort mode, since there's no burbles on the competition in comfort mode or efficient mode. Sport Plus and Sport will always have burbles. It's just a factory competition tune from BMW. Again, these are little clips for me for Instagram. I want to post as a separate post maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a couple little revs. So funny thing about this spot is I actually filmed at this spot when I got my equal length mid pipe installed. If you guys see this road and that underpass might look familiar. But yeah, it's right next to my house, so I don't think I can get in trouble for revving. The hoonigan stuff is out of the way, so give you guys a couple revs in efficient and then we'll wrap this up. Alright, hopefully that sounded pretty good, because I'm done hooning around for the day. Happy Sunday, boys. Let's wrap it up. For those of you guys that are new, the reason why I just revved in efficient is because my valves are unplugged. So even in comfort or efficient mode, my valves are open. So that's why I wanted to give people a little sound clip with the valves open in efficient mode, because there's no burbles like I mentioned before. So hopefully it translates good on the audio quality of the camera. But yeah, we're on the way home now. Maybe I'll do a little pull for you guys. Fuck it. At this rate, fuck it, right? I'm having a day. Wanted to chill with the guys earlier, but everyone's busy, so had to do a little self-vlogging. You already know. Got some fire pictures for the week, for the next couple weeks actually. So pretty set on that. Alright, pulling into my neighborhood now. Sending it. Alright, that's a wrap. That is a wrap. I'm done, boys. I'm done. It's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like, comment down below what you guys think, subscribe for future content. Like I said before, I'll put some photos at the end of this video of some of the ones that I took and edited real quick. So yeah, we're pulling into the house. Everyone take care. We'll see you on next week's video. Peace.